manual turret indexing to check for interference on Colchester T8MS machine with such a turret. Name tag. So we have large tool that might interfere on somewhere. It also works for radial tools that might interfere on way cover. So CNC mode, manual, set parameter right enable, 1. Oh, we need MDI mode for this one. Mistake. So 1. Code. Okay. Parameter right enable. So now we go to system. If we ignore that error, PMC parameter, keep relay, and we need keep relay 0 bit 5. So it is accounted from right to left side, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the one. We set this one while still in MDI mode. We set this one to 1. It will engage turret manual jog mode. So input now. And it's also important, take pictures. If you do something, take pictures so you can go back and check. And I take no responsibility. Okay. Yes, so now we go to manual mode. Another one. Before we go to manual mode, we need to be able to stop turret at as close to the same position as possible. So what I have here, I have a marking on sheet metal. It can, if you will be close enough that it will clamp in the correct tooth, everything will be fine. You might have to, there is chance that you will get some error, but it's not the end of the world. You need to be just very, very close, and aligning by sight is enough for that. And if it will clamp and it will not be exact position, you will have to turn off and turn on machine again. And but that's, yeah, it will not change position of servo system for turret drive, so don't worry about that. This is just manual jog. Okay, so now I have lined this one up. You can use like some Sharpie or something. We go now to manual, and you can hear turret unclamp. So what I now do, I use pulse wheel. As you can see, no axis is engaged. I use pulse wheel and rotate turret by hand. You see what is happening? And now I rotate it and I watch for interference on that too. Okay, so it is clearing just fine. So now I make revolution, return to the same point. Line the lines. As good as well as I can. And now I return to MDI mode. Okay, no errors. So this means I was correct. If you will be one pulse on either side, it will not clamp. Well, it will clamp, but you will have clamped out of position error. It is fine. You need this marker to be in the right tooth. That is most important. And then you will set ignore errors, return this one to 0, switch off parameter right, turn off control, switch it back on, go to manual mode, index turret by buttons, then check it in MDI with T command, and it should work fine. So now I switch this one back off. Okay, turret clamped out of position. This is, I did not get the right tooth, but it's fine. That's now no problem. Now I switch off this one. Okay. And it will not allow me to index turret manually. It says not with guard open, but that's no problem. So now I will switch it off. I also have bad X-axis brake, so I will show this one too. What I have to do while I'm waiting for replacement. Okay. I set wood here lightly like that against screw, and now I will switch it off. So key stop, it drifts a little bit down, turn off control, key stop out, control back on. And since it's only one tooth, so we switch it off, turret will relax, and it will position and clamp itself when we switch it on. Also, I guess you could also find in parameters servo position for turret drive servo, and return to the same position by manual jog it. I think it should work. I have not tried to do that, so this is the way I do it right now. See? Okay, we will wait until it switches on. Yeah, okay. So bar feed is referencing, so everything is fine. Now this machine has scale, so it asks for reference. So we do reference, and remove my brake override. So reference complete. I reset it, no errors, and I will check manual index and T command call. So it indexes, and second pocket. And that is second pocket, everything is in order.